Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this problem, we're told the Poisson random variable x represents the number of sales a business has. The business has an average of 5 sales per hour. We need to calculate the probability of 3 sales in any given hour. We can recall that the probability density function for a Poisson random variable is lambda x times e to the negative lambda over x factorial. We know that this is the mean, which is given to us as 5, and this is the number of successes we want, which is 3. So we can sub all of these values in, and we get 125 times e to the negative 5 over 6, which gives us 0.14. So the probability of getting 3 sales in any given hour for this business is 0.14. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.